you go off.
Tests for these receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday.
Next time,
between
tone
11 a.m. and
it.
noon. When there is a threat of severe weather on Wednesday, the test will be posted until the first available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and warning alarm will vary at any given location. Variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working condition. The tone alert will be activated for selected watches and warnings affecting the following counties: in Indiana, Porter, LaPorte, St. Joseph, Elkhart, LaGrange, Steuben, Stark, Marshall, Kosciuszko, Noble, DeKalb, Whitley, Allen, Miami, Wabash, Huntington, Wells, Athens, Grant, Blackford, Pulaski, and Jay. In Ohio, Williams, Bolton, Defiance, Henry, Paulding, and Van Wert. And in Michigan, Berrien, Cass, St. Joseph, Branch, and Hillsdale. For more information, see our webpage at www.weather.gov/IWX and click on Know Weather Radio under Local Information. We now return to normal programming.
Okay. I think you've all been wondering what in the world game is this. Sonic 2. Proof? Will you focus camera? Well, it's Sonic 2, just so everyone knows. Sonic the Hedgehog, if you want to get technical. There.